Seeing this site can't be reached in Chrome? Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it on Windows. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your PC is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Restart your router if needed. Try opening another website to confirm your connection. Step 2. Clear browsing cache and cookies. Open Chrome, click the three dots, Settings, Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then click Clear Data. This removes old data that might block websites from loading. Step 3. Disable extensions. Type Chrome//extensions in the address bar. Disable all extensions temporarily, especially VPNs or ad blockers. Reload the website to check if it works. Step 4. Change DNS server. Go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, right-click your active network, Properties, Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, Properties, set DNS to Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK and reconnect. Step 5. Reset network settings. Press Windows plus R, type CMD and press Enter. Run these commands one by one. Restart your PC after this. That's it. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.